Hi guys, let's get right into the tutorial. First things first, I'm using the P. Louise retractable lip liner in Loyal to line her lips. I'm just lining the lips according to her natural lip shape first of all. After lining the lips according to the natural lip shape, I'm going to tell her to fold her lips slightly so I can overdraw her lips at the cupid bow. So when overdrawing your lips, the best way is to overdraw it at the cupid bow and not at the sides of the lips. Even though we're trying to overdraw the lips, we still want to look natural and nice. We still want to maintain the actual shape of the lips. Although some people overdraw or overline their lips at the sides, but this is the best way to overline your lips if you want it to look really natural and not looking like you got stung by a bee. After lining the lips, I'm going to be blending as well, and then I'm going to be using this lip stain, this liquid matte lip stain from AG Bloom Beauty. I'm going to be using the shade Choco on the lips. This is a really nudish nude lip and it's very nice. Now after blending to my satisfaction, I'm going to be shaping and defining the lips, cleaning out the excesses anywhere that is not well shaped or have the lips are spilling. I'm going to be cleaning them up with a foundation shade. After cleaning up, I'm just going to be using the setting powder to run over the lips and make sure that everything is matte. Going further, I'm using this ZKL cosmetic lip gloss. This lip gloss is amazing. It's my go-to for really bright nude. I'm using this shade in Exotic, and then I'm also using a clear gloss alongside this Exotic nude lip gloss all over our lips, and this is how the lip has turned out. I really love how it turned out, and I hope you learned something, guys. See you in my next video. Bye.